Hello everyone, I'm back with an interesting milkshake. For this, we require superfine sugar, whipped cream, vanilla ice cream, brownie, milk and cubes of ice. We'll start by adding generous cubes of ice, around 10 to 12 cubes of ice, around 1 teaspoon of superfine sugar, around 2 tablespoons of whipped cream and generous amount of vanilla ice cream. Now for the fun part, we are going to add brownie. About 100 grams of brownie, and lastly around 180 to 200 ml of milk. Time to pour it in a glass. Simple, easy and tasty brownie milkshake.